What's up, guys? Picture this. Life is a bit like the ocean, full of ups and downs. But guess what? You are the captain of your ship. You are the CEO of your life. Embrace the challenges you are facing, no matter where you are right now. Ride those waves of determination and know that success is a journey, not just a place. You are not alone. Many of us are confused and we don't know where to start. There are opportunities as far as the eyes can see. So dive in and ride those waves and shape your own success. You got this. You must believe in yourself because in order for you to achieve anything, you must take action towards your future. You are the CEO. I believe in you. Let's do it.